So, hi ma'am, how are you?
Hello, I'm fantastic. What about you?
I'm doing great. My day was productive. And so, how about you?
Okay. My day was fantastic since morning and I am busy in the household chores as well as I was practicing of listening.
Oh, that is great. So, we are meeting for the very first time. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, why not? My name is Poonam. I am from Delhi and I have done B.Ed. I'm a housewife. I'm a mother of a daughter and I am working on my communication skills. I am learning as well as I am growing.
That is great.
That's pretty much about it.
That is great, Poonam. So should I start the
Yes.
session?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so when you started your journey
I have started my journey in 2025, 24.
in 24, okay, so you are learning
Yes.
2024. That is great. So, what are the challenges you
Yes.
face while learning English?
Challenges always front of me. When I have started to speak in English, so first challenge I have faced how I speak because since my childhood I have born and brought up with the Hindi language. Okay, and my school was in Hindi medium, so I faced a lot of challenges when it comes to speak in English
Hmm.
because I had totally Hindi background, but I
Hmm.
totally switched myself on the English language. So in today era survive with the English language is more difficult. If you don't know how to speak in English, so you will feel embarrassed
Okay.
and you will demotivate also. When it comes to speak in English, when you come to speak in English, you don't know how to express your thought, how to share your ideas. So somehow you feel irritated and you feel underconfident. So then I thought I should work on my communication skills.
So, do you think English is panacea for you?
Yes,
Okay. Like, I also believe it is a रामबाण. हम कह सकते हैं ये रामबाण है हमारे लिए English. So,
yes,
and second question is
yeah.
English is everything in today's world. What do you think?
Yes, in today's world, English is everything. To survive in any field, if you able to speak in English, definitely you able to survive in any sector, in corporate sector, in teaching field, any field. If you want to go for a job, go for an interview, go
Hmm.
if you will go in the PTM. So at that time, you will have to speak in English. You will have to interact with the people. You are comfortable or not, people don't know about you able to speak or not, but when people will interact with you, so you will have to interact with them on the same level.
But my perception is different. Yeah, similar, but little bit different. Because I don't think English is everything. But I do think English is very important in today's world. Like, for
Yes,
example, my honest review about English, I believe English is not everything because talent, knowledge, hard work, and skills matter more. English is also skill, I'm not denying, but many successful people are great in their field, even if their English is not perfect. If I talk about like some of the cricketers, they are not very well in English, but he or she is successful right now. Okay, but at the
yes,
same time, English has become a very powerful tool. I can say that because in today's world,
for
most
them.
inter- yeah, most interview happens in English. If you are going for the job interview, you have to face English. And second is many competitive exam have English sections. If you are going for banking, SSC, any exam, so you have to face English section. And office communication is often in English. Nowadays, if you are going any field, rather than private, yeah, public, you have to tackle in English. And the internet. courses,
Yeah.
and books are mostly in English. So English is not equal to intelligent, but English helps you show your intelligence to world. It grow you. So I believe that like it is a very impactful in our life English effect, and I also say English is a panacea nowadays. So I believe that. So your video is paused, I think. Poonam, as I'm audible to you. From my side, this is the last question. Poor English means poor career. What do you think?
It doesn't mean you have poor English, so you have poor career. I'm not agree with it. If your English is not good, but you can survive with the Hindi language also. There are many factors you can do with the Hindi language, but you need to skill yourself. Okay,
Hmm.
English is a medium and Hindi also is a medium.
Hmm.
Okay, but
Hmm.
if you don't know how to speak in English, your life is finished. It is not good and it is not true. So
Hmm.
without English, you can survive. You can do better things more than Hindi, more
Hmm.
than English. Sorry, you can do better things more than Hindi English language. There
Hmm.
are many factors. People are doing great things with the Hindi language.
Hmm. But in real life, people judge us by the way we speak. Do you think?
Yes. Yes, judgment is everywhere. If you will go in any field, people will always judge you. People will always criticize you. But in this era, if you know the art of living, people are criticize you, don't worry. People are judging you, don't worry. If your mindset is positive, if your mindset is strong, so definitely it would be easy for you to survive with the people.
Hmm. Okay, okay, that is great. So, okay, do you have any question?
I don't have any question, but I would like to say I will invite you on my channel after 2 and 3 days because this video is stuck in between. So because of that.
Huh, there's a lot of problem. I try to edit them.
Yes.
Edit that, edit this video, but if it is possible, okay, I will connect you again. Otherwise, okay. Like, what is the this is not question. When you speak English, what
Yes.
is the one thing you are afraid while you're
Okay.
speaking English? One thing you're afraid.
Okay. So when I speak English, actually this is my 11th and 10th session. Initially, I have started to convert with the people. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
it is my 8th and 10th session. I'm not too much perfect to connect with the people. So this is the new journey for me to connect with the divergent background of the people. Why? Because I'm not connecting with the people to viewers and subscribers. I am connecting with the people to my room for improvement, to my betterment. Okay, so I want to change one thing for myself. First, I should listen to others carefully, then I should give the reply. I observe myself. I have the habit of before listening to others, give the instant reply.
You know your strength,
So
you know
now,
your weakness.
yes, so now I am changing myself and I want to overcome this problem. This problem has with me. Before listening to others, I always eager to give the reply. So first thing, I want to change myself, listen others carefully, take pause, then give the reply. And second thing, sometime I do rush while speaking. I speak fast. So now I need to overcome this problem also because I fast speak it is not a good way of speaking. Okay, this is the language. So what I need to do, I need to speak less clearly and confidently.
Okay, you are facing these problem. Okay, and
Yeah.
what is the three important things while you speak English?
Okay. Confidence.
Hmm.
First thing, confidence. And second thing, positive aura. Positive aura matters a lot. And second thing, you should have a strong point to convey other person.
Hmm. Okay, I will
Yes.
give you three more. Simple and clear sentence. Simple and short sentence.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Taking pause is important. Third, clarity should be in the statement. And the fourth
Yes.
statement, slow pace. And
Yes.
this is the most important thing while you are speaking English, clarity and short statement, taking pause and slow pace. So yes,
Yes.
I'm also working on that area. Like sometimes I speak very fast, in hurry.
So
I
I
just
want to
forget the
know how
sentences.
long. So, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I want to ask one thing. How long you have been working on your communication skills and how long you have been working on your channel?
Okay, I started my journey in 2025, July 2025. And first
Okay.
I start connected with YouTubers and I took 9 session with tutors, like English share tutors. And then I observe myself and right now I'm working on myself. So yeah, this is my journey and still I'm learning this language and sometimes I make a lot of mistake. Initially my pace is so fast, but in these days and like after connecting so many peoples, I like I change a lot in my way of speaking. My I'll Right now I'm speaking in slow pace. I taking pause. Sometimes I use simple and short sentences. And
Yes.
this is the like I'm in these days I'm working in these area because many people think taking pause means you hesitate, you're not able to speak. But this is not.
Yes. Yes.
Taking pause means
Yes.
think
Taking
before
pause is good.
yeah, taking pause is
Think
so
before
good.
you speak.
Yeah. So in these days I'm working on that area. So yeah, this is my journey.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I am happy, glad to connect with you.
Thank you so much thank you so much for reaching me around and in future I will connect you again after 1 week, yeah, after 3 4 days. And so thank you so much. I have one more session, not a session. I have a live session today. So I'm going for the live for so that's why.
Okay. So do you teach offline? Online?
No, no, no. This is my YouTube live session. I'll try to connect people.
Okay. So how many days you take online? You go online on your YouTube channel.
Okay, like it's depend on my mood. If I get a free time, I try to go in live session. But it's depend on time.
Every week.
Yeah, in every week I'll try to go live.
Okay. So how much time you go on the YouTube for 10 minutes, 20 minutes?
It's depend on it's depend on viewers.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I got it. I got it.
So okay,
Okay.
Poonam, have a good day, have a nice day. Keep learning, keep growing, be positive all time.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
Oh, thank you, most welcome.
Any feedback you want to give me?
Just try to slow your pace. This is my the
Yeah.
because you are speaking good, but your pace is so fast. I'm observing this,
Yeah.
and this is my also
I
like
need to work on it.
initially I speak so fast, seriously. But you are speaking so good, but space is so the pace is so fast.
Fast.
So sometimes people is not able to understand people is not able to
Understand.
connect, but no problem.
Connect. Yes.
On daily basis you are speaking, so you solve this problem easily,
Yes. Yes.
and you are doing so good. Keep going like this.
Okay. Thank you. Your motivation.
Okay, thank you so much, and just keep learning. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye bye. Same likewise. Bye bye.